conducting mock drill and emergency scenario, that all work has to be prohibited, the work has to be suspended, the people have to go to the muster point so that mustering can be done, and then debriefing after the all clear. So this is in the prohibition category. All this activity what we have identified in general category in terms of adverse weather, hot, high wind, poor visibility, hot weather, these all are coming into R2 category. The reason is very simple, because we have got company adverse weather restrictions, and this has to be restricted as per the UAE norms as well as company procedure. Night work is prohibited so far. If in case we need night work to be done, then contractor has to take a special permit from the ADNOC, and then they can do the night work activity. In terms of HSE CES, fire and gas detection system unavailability, communication system unavailability, and active fire protection, we have identified 3 HSE CES for our job. For our job, if the HSE CES is not active or impaired, then we have to put R3. R3, we have to put downgraded situation in case of any HSE CES is not working, and then we have to put additional control, and we will also do the risk assessment accordingly in the end of the workshop. And the interfaces, all the interfaces to be identified by the EPC contractor, because there will be many project going on parallelly. Then other project may impact the schedule and the construction of this scope. Then we have to put the R4, and then all interested party has to get together and initiate the permit to work and avoid the potential places of activity which may impact others HSE criteria as well as schedule. Going for civil, yes, we have seen that excavation work will be there, and these 2 activity we have identified for excavation, but this and pipe support are 2, and for plan startup down because of vapor cloud and source of ignition, I am restricting it here. And we will have the same category of allowance and prohibition for normal work operation, hot work, and conducting emergency drill as well as real emergency scenarios. Weather will remain same, because we don't want to breach the company procedure. This has to be restricted for adverse weather cases, including hot weather, heavy wind, poor visibility due to fog as well as sandstorm, and